GRT at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a breakdown move, and at the time of this recording we continue to hold within our key area of support between the 0.29 and the 0.1951. And on today's update video I will be discussing the most significant key areas of supports that we need to pay attention to, basing my analysis on the additive structures and the Fibonacci's. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows we made on the 20th of December. You can see that we first saw a bit of a bounce to the upside where we picked impulsively in the formation of this wave 1. Then we started a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum target areas highlighted on the chart using these yellow markings, an area that we almost fully maximized, and we started a bit of a bounce to the upside in what I was expecting to be the start of an impulsive additive count 3. But from the price action we can see here on the chart, this is now turning out to be not impulsive, and we have continued to see further breakdown moves, and that means that we need to continue holding within this yellow target area and maybe get one more new low in the formation of this wave 2. And as long as we continue holding within this yellow target area, there is a chance of another bounce back in the formation of this wave 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue pushing higher in the formation of this wave 5. And if by any chance we break to the lower side of this yellow target area, that would be suggesting a more bearish case scenario, and I will be giving you the minimum target areas to pay attention to in case such a scenario plays out. We also need to have in mind that this red target area, that is this red additive structure over here, was part of an even larger additive count 3 over here, and this wave 3 was part of an even larger additive structure that I have been observing from the lows we made on the 4th of December, where you can see that we first picked impulsively in the formation of this wave 1, so a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, a bounce in a wave 3, a wave 4, and then finally picked in the formation of this wave 5, giving us a high above the 0.35. And that 5 wave structure to the upside completed the formation of this larger additive count 1. And having picked in the formation of that first wave, I was expecting a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of a larger additive count 2, whose minimum target areas I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, and that gave me a minimum target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.382 and the 78, and that is the area that I have marked on the chart using this red target area, and that is between the 0.2633 and the 0.1736, an area that we almost fully maximized, and that means that there are chances that we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 2, and a bounce in the formation of this wave 3 is imminent, and all we need to see is that initial 5 wave structure to the upside to confirm that we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 2, and to also give us that bullish momentum to continue pushing higher. But if by any chance this structure over here breaks to the lower side, then that will be suggesting that we still don't have a low in place in the formation of this wave 2. And once that plays out, then I will be expecting to see GRT holding within this red target area. And on breaking this red target area to the lower side, then that will be suggesting a more bearish case scenario where we can easily see further breakdown moves, maybe giving us a reset of the lows we made on the 14th of November or maybe the 4th of November. So that is all I'm expecting here on the GRT chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.